You missed the read, Victor. I'm not a mark in some bar.
They'll have passenger lists. They can get you into the point of departure. You pick him up and you bring him to me.
Have you ever listened to someone speak and instantly felt the difference? Not because of what they said, but how their voice sounded. Deep, calm, controlled. The kind of voice that makes people pause for a second. The kind that makes you think, wow, I wish I sounded like that. We all have moments like that. Maybe you heard someone in a movie and wondered how their voice carries so much weight. Or maybe you compared your voice to someone else and felt a little insecure. And honestly, you're not alone. Here's the truth. Two men can speak the exact same words, and the one with the deeper voice automatically sounds more confident, more attractive, and more respected. People listen. People take you seriously. Even dating becomes easier because a deep voice is naturally perceived as masculine and appealing. And you know this already. That's why you clicked on this video. So today, we're breaking down 10 simple but powerful secrets that can help you naturally deepen your voice permanently. No expensive tools. No complicated routines, just proven habits and exercises you can start using immediately. Let's get into it. 1. Humming sounds. The first secret is humming. It sounds simple, and it is, but it works. When you hum, your voice vibrates through your chest instead of just your throat. This helps you connect with your diaphragm, which is the real engine behind a deep voice. Try it right now. A long, steady hum. You'll feel the vibration low in your body. Do this daily and you'll slowly unlock a richer, fuller tone. It's like warming up the instrument inside you. 2. Tongue posture. The second secret is tongue posture. Most people speak with their tongue resting upward. This tightens the throat and pushes your voice higher. But when you keep your tongue relaxed and low, your voice automatically drops in pitch. Just pause for a second and try it. Say a few words while gently lowering your tongue. You'll instantly hear the difference. It feels strange at first, but with practice, this becomes your natural speaking posture. 3. Drink a lot of water. The third secret is something almost no one thinks about until it's too late: hydration. Your vocal cords are like rubber bands. When they're dry, they get stiff, and stiff cords create a higher, thinner voice. But when you drink enough water, your cords stay flexible, relaxed, and capable of producing deeper sounds. So if your throat often feels dry or scratchy, that's a sign. Drink more water throughout the day, not just when you're thirsty. 4. Breathing. The fourth secret is a big one: breathing correctly. A deep voice doesn't come from your throat, it comes from your diaphragm. But most people speak using their neck, which strains the voice and keeps it high-pitched.
Now listen to your voice whenever. What the?
Here's a simple exercise to fix that. Breathe in and let your stomach rise, not your chest. Then slowly breathe out and let that air support a low hum or even a few slow words. This trains your diaphragm to control your voice. Over time, you'll naturally shift into deeper tones without forcing anything. 5. Breathing from nose. The fifth secret goes hand in hand with breathing, using your nose instead of your mouth. Mouth breathing dries your throat, damages your vocal cords, and can even change your facial structure over time. Nose breathing, on the other hand, warms the air, filters it, and keeps your vocal cords healthy. Plus, it helps your jawline by promoting proper tongue posture. Switching to nose breathing alone can make a noticeable difference in your voice and your overall facial appearance. 6. Keep pen in mouth. Now, let's move to the sixth secret, the pen and mouth exercise. This one builds clarity and control. Put a pen between your teeth and try reading a sentence. After a few minutes of practice, remove the pen and speak normally. You'll instantly sound clearer, smoother, and more controlled. And when you combine clarity with a deeper tone, your voice becomes magnetic. 7. Neck muscles. The seventh secret focuses on something most people ignore: your neck muscles, especially the sternocleidomastoid muscles. These muscles protect and support your vocal cords. When they're weak, your cords can become narrow, resulting in a thinner, higher-pitched voice. Strengthening these muscles through neck extensions, slow rotations, and lateral bends can open up your vocal range and give your voice more depth. A strong neck equals a stronger, deeper voice. 8. Testosterone. The eighth secret is one of the most important: testosterone. This hormone plays a major role in the growth and function of your vocal cords, and one of the easiest, most natural ways to boost testosterone is by sprinting. Just a few sets of short, intense sprints can increase testosterone levels over time, reduce bloating in your face, and improve overall confidence. You'll also sweat more, which helps flush out sodium and clear your skin. All of this adds up to a more masculine presence, voice included. 9. Practice speaking with your nose closed. The ninth secret is a unique exercise that surprises a lot of people: speaking with your nose closed. Pinch your nose, speak a sentence, and hear that thin nasal sound. Now speak the same sentence but try to avoid that nasal tone. It forces your voice to drop lower and resonate deeper. Repeat this daily and you'll slowly build muscle memory for a naturally deeper voice. It's simple but incredibly effective. 10. Way of speaking. And the 10th secret might be the most important of all, your speaking style. A deep voice isn't just about pitch, it's about energy. If you speak too fast, too loud, or too high, your voice becomes thin and strained. But when you slow down, lower your volume, and take natural pauses, your voice automatically deepens. It becomes more relaxed, more grounded, and more confident. People listen differently. They absorb your words. They respect the person who doesn't rush to speak. Here's the truth. Having a deep voice isn't about pretending to be someone you're not. It's about unlocking the best version of the voice you already have. These small habits combine over time, and when you stay consistent, the results can be life-changing. Think about it. A deeper voice helps you in conversations, in dating, in your career, and even in your presence. It changes how people see you, but more importantly, it changes how you see yourself. And once you get even a small taste of that confidence, it becomes addictive. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me which secret you're going to try first. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.